Let's have a look on a similar table as before. What we do have is our matriculation numbers, our points and the given grades. However, this table is unsorted. You see matriculation numbers are wild, so are points and grades. What we can do is to let it sort. I would like to sort not only one column, but of course a complete table. And here we have a function. If you go on home, then there is this editing group, and here we find sort and filter. And of course I'm looking for sorting. And my recommendation is to always go for custom sort. So actually the matriculation number, the first column, is already offered, and you can sort by values and smallest to largest or largest to smallest. I let it be like this. And what you can see is now the matriculation numbers are ordered and the points and grades are changed according to the ordering we have done. Now let's see, I would like to look for the grades and sort for the grades. That's of course possible. I choose another column, the grades, and again I'll take smallest to largest. And what you see is my result in here. And maybe I would like to have an even better sorting. That is, I would like to have the points as well. The lower the grades, the better. The more points, the better. So let's do a second level of sorting. Custom sorting. I have first done it by grades. Then I'll add a second level. If the grades are the same, I'll do it by points, but I want to do it largest to smallest to have the best one on top. And as you can see, here is 199 and so on and so on. I now have several with the same matriculation number. And if I would like to now sort with the matriculation number as well, I could do so by do a custom sort and add a third level, matriculation number smallest to largest, and off it goes. So here I have now 3 levels of sorting. If after the first level of sorting there is same values, the second level of sorting is used, and then the third one. Give it a try.